Hey everybody, this is Rob, and this is your工業英語class number 6 homework video for unit number 9. Okay, in this we will be doing the warm-up, which is on page 56. Let's listen, which is on page 57, and then read aloud and grammar sections for unit 9, which is on page 58 and 59. So let's go ahead and get started. So please remember, you'll be using this paper right here, the one in blue. This one you have to do, but if you give it to me, give me a picture of it uh, via line before next class, you can get 2 bonus points. So let's get started. Okay, first, okay, we're going to be doing, I'm ready to start the experiment, and we need to learn these words. You have to learn equipment, liquid, give off, vapor, melt, crystal, toxic, highly, degree, and tube. You have to match these English words with their Japanese phrases. Okay?
Unit 9.
So first we'll start. This is equipment. Okay? This is equipment. If you're working in a science laboratory, this is a test tube, this is a beaker, microscope, thermometer. These are all pieces of chemistry equipment. If you play baseball, ball, glove, bat, helmet, that's baseball equipment. Okay, next, liquid. Liquid is something in between a solid and a vapor or gas. This Diet Coke, this is a liquid. Okay, this is a liquid. Ice is a solid. Ice is a solid. Gas or vapor, nakakuki mitai, steam, that's vapor or gas. So if you're talking about water, ice is the solid state. Okay, steam is the vapor or gas, but liquid is that's the normal stage of water. Liquid. This is a liquid. That's a liquid. Okay. Next. Okay, give off. Give off means natakadasu or deru. Cheese gives off a smell. If you mix bleach and glass cleaner, it will give off a dangerous steam. That's give off. Okay. Vapor. Now, again, water, when you're talking about water, solid would be ice. Water is a liquid, but if you make it hot, then it becomes a vapor or gas. Okay. So when you eat mushipan, you are eating bread that has been cooked by vapor or gas. Melt. Melt means tokeru. When you take ice and you put it over heat, the solid will become a liquid. That's melt. Okay. Butter, like if you have butter, okay. Butter, whoops, sorry. Butter, if I put this in the microwave, right now it's solid. Sorry. Right now it's solid. But if I put this under heat, it will melt and become a liquid. That's melt. Crystal. Crystal are very, very small pieces of solid material. Think of like a salt crystal, shio no, ichiban chisai no shio no mono. That's a salt crystal. Sugar crystals, okay? Gout, which I think in Japanese you'd say tsufu. Tsufu is crystals forming on the joints. Kansetsu no crystal, okay? So those are crystals. Okay. Next one, toxic. Toxic means very, very poisonous. It's dangerous. Highly toxic means very dangerous. So toxic is connected to poisonous, dangerous, doku no kanke aru. And then highly means very, okay? So if it's highly toxic, you usually have to wear like a mask. Okay, so that would be highly toxic. Good. Okay, degrees. Degree is a measurement of heat. For example, in Fahrenheit, 212, water becomes a vapor. At Celsius, at 100 degrees Celsius, water becomes a vapor. At 32 degrees Fahrenheit, water becomes a solid, ice. And at 0 degrees Celsius, water becomes an ice, solid. Okay, tube. This is a small glass cylinder or plastic cylinder that you can put liquid or other things into. That's a tube. Okay, so please listen one time. Yeah, please listen one time to these and then match the correct terms with each other. Okay, let's go ahead and start.
3.
Unit 9. I'm ready to start the experiment. Equipment. Liquid. Give off. Vapor. Melt. Crystal. Toxic. Highly. Degree. Tube.
Okay, now I'll stop the video. Whoop, I think I gave you the answers. Ha. Well, if you got the answers, you're lucky. Equipment is, let's see, what is equipment? Equipment is G. Okay, equipment is G. Liquid is B. Give off is I. Okay, vapor is C. Melt is J. Crystal is F. Toxic is A. Highly is D. Degree is H. And tube is E. So make sure you got those down. Okay, thank you. Next one. Okay, we have to listen to the professor and Justin talk. So we have to answer these questions. What does the professor ask Justin to do? Prepare the equipment, explain what he's going to do, or set up the test tube. Number two, what is true of the vapor? Remember, vapor and gas. It has no color. It gives us a nice smell. It's toxic. It's poisonous. And number three, according to Justin, what is important? To see the liquid stage, to clean the test tube, to collect all the vapor. Okay, please listen.
Justin and Professor Oki are talking in the laboratory. I think the equipment is all ready now.
That looks good. I think you're ready to start your experiment. Can you explain what you're going to do?
So I've put the iodine crystals in the test tube, and next I'm going to heat it.
Good. But be careful not to overheat it.
Right. And at first it'll give off a purple vapor. What happens if it overheats?
Well, you'll probably miss the melting stage. Also, remember that the vapor is highly toxic.
Okay, I'll be really careful. It's important to be able to see the liquid stage before it turns to vapor, right?
That's right. It should reach its melting point at around 114 degrees Celsius.
Okay, one more time.
Justin and Professor Oki are talking in the laboratory. I think the equipment is all ready now.
That looks good. I think you're ready to start your experiment. Can you explain what you're going to do?
So I've put the iodine crystals in the test tube, and next I'm going to heat it.
Good. But be careful not to overheat it.
Right. And at first it'll give off a purple vapor. What happens if it overheats?
Well, you'll probably miss the melting stage. Also, remember that the vapor is highly toxic.
Okay, I'll be really careful. It's important to be able to see the liquid stage before it turns to vapor, right?
That's right. It should reach its melting point at around 114 degrees Celsius.
Okay, stop the video. Please write your answers. Okay, good. Okay, here are the answers.
Justin.
Okay, So, number one, what does the professor ask Justin to do? Explain what he's going to do. Number two, what is true of the vapor? It's toxic. It's very dangerous. And then number three, according to Justin, what is important? To see the liquid stage. Okay, write down your answers, B, C, A. Okay, now come on over here. Let's check and read aloud. So you have to write the correct words into these spaces. So let's listen one more time.
Justin and Professor Oki are talking in the laboratory. I think the equipment is all ready now.
That looks good. I think you're ready to start your experiment. Can you explain what you're going to do?
So I've put the iodine crystals in the test tube, and next I'm going to heat it.
Good. But be careful not to overheat it.
Right. And at first it'll give off a purple vapor. What happens if it overheats?
Well, you'll probably miss the melting stage. Also, remember that the vapor is highly toxic.
Okay, I'll be really careful. It's important to be able to see the liquid stage before it turns to vapor, right?
That's right. It should reach its melting point at around 114 degrees Celsius.
Okay, good. Stop the video, write your answers. Okay, here's what the answers look like.
Justin.
One more time, please listen.
Justin and Professor Oki are talking in the laboratory. I think the equipment is all ready now.
That looks good. I think you're ready to start your experiment. Can you explain what you're going to do?
So I've put the iodine crystals in the test tube, and next I'm going to heat it.
Good. But be careful not to overheat it.
Right. And at first it'll give off a purple vapor. What happens if it overheats?
Well, you'll probably miss the melting stage. Also, remember that the vapor is highly toxic.
Okay, I'll be really careful. It's important to be able to see the liquid stage before it turns to vapor, right?
That's right. It should reach its melting point at around 114 degrees Celsius.
Okay, go ahead and check your answers. Okay, next, let's move on.
Justin.
Okay, grammar. You have to put these words into these spots. For example, in the example, it says, "Would you like something drink?" Now, you might have to add to, or you might have to change the word. So good luck. So, would you like something to drink? Okay. All of them will need to. Okay. So you're going to have to use to something. Okay. So good luck with this. I'm sorry, but could you help me? Hint, JAMA. Okay. Okay. JAMA, ojama shite gomennasai. Okay. So, or shitsure kiddo. Number two, is it okay in the homework tomorrow to give to the teacher? Number three, I'd like up for a course in information ethics. Okay. To join. What's another word to join? And number four, Sarah stayed up late in order her presentation. Okay. So, Junbi no tamini. Okay, good luck. 5 seconds. Stop the video. Okay, here it is. Good. Please, yeah. So, I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me? Is it okay to hand in the homework tomorrow? Number three, I'd like to sign up for a course in information ethics. Number four, Sarah stayed up late in order to prepare for her presentation. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, next one. Okay, you have to choose between the verb and the infinitive. Okay, so only the verb or to verb. Okay, so now this is going to be a little bit tricky, and we'll go through it later. But for now, do the best you can. Please answer the questions. Number one, let me you how this machine works. Let me show you how this machine works. Let me to show you how this machine works. Number two, I have a favor you. I have a favor, ask you. I have a favor to ask you. Number three, Rob was to explain the project in detail. Rob was kind enough to explain the project in detail. Rob was enough kind to explain the project in detail. Number four, I'd like information on this program. I'd like some information on this program. I'd like to some information on this program. Okay, 5 seconds. Stop the video. If you make mistakes, it's okay because I'll explain it in about 30 seconds. Okay, here are the answers. Okay, so, or here's a hint. Let me give you a hint. I want to verb. Okay, please remember that. I want to doshi. I want to ask, to play, to go to. Okay, I want meishi. I want your business card. I want your homework. I want some money. Okay, I would like to doshi verb. I would like mono meishi. Let me doshi. Okay. And then I have mono to doshi you. For example, I have money to give you. I have sushi to feed you. I have time to help you. Okay. So one more time, stop the video. Please answer your questions. Okay. Here are the answers. Okay. Okay. I want, so number one, let me show you how this machine works. Okay. So let me doshi. Okay. I have a favor to ask you. Okay. So to ask, natakashtai. Number three, Rob was kind enough. Okay. Always it's jibun. Keiyoshi sono ato wa enough. So he was busy enough, or helpful enough, or nice enough. It's a good pattern to know. And then number four, I'd like some information on this program. Information wa meishi, soshite some, not to some. I'd like to get information. That would be okay. But get wa nai, I'd like some information on this program. Okay, last part right here. You have to put these words in correct order, and there's one word you don't need. So, for example, you have to, I'm your happy helping help project. And number two, do you, me, to, do, want to, what. Okay, now be careful because, yeah, hinto, this one will be the key word is the key word is what. What is nani, ameshi? Okay? So please remember to doshi, okay? To doshi or to what sky nine. This is mono, so it's going, you don't need the two. You don't need the two. It will be this word, no thank you, or this phrase, no thank you. This is a noun. This is a noun. Please remember that. Okay? Number three, I'll show you the how, what to use equipment. Okay. One word. Okay. Number four, the data, Sarah, check, ask, let's, to check. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, 5 seconds. Stop the video. Please write the answers. Okay, good. Okay, I'm happy to help your project. I'm happy to help your project. Okay. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Okay. Remember, what is the noun? So you don't need want to. Okay. This one you don't need helping. Okay. Number 3, I'll show you how to use the equipment. I'll show you how to use the equipment. You don't need what. Okay. And then number 4, okay, let's ask Sarah to check the data. Okay. So you don't need check. Okay, good. Okay. That's it. Make sure you got these. Okay. Show you. Good. Okay, good. Got it. Okay, thank you. Okay, make sure that your answers look like this. Make sure that your answers look like this. Send it to me at line before class, and you'll get 2 bonus points. Okay. Thank you very much. This is it. See you next class. Time to drink Diet Coke. Bye bye.